friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Gigabyte's Silver White GeForce RTX 4090 Aero OC graphics card. So friend, Gigabyte launches the GeForce RTX 4090 Aero OC 24G graphics card, and friend, this graphics card is designed for creators and consumers who prefer a silver white design aesthetic and to fully unleash the unparalleled performance of GeForce RTX 4090. The Gigabyte equipped the graphics card with amp-up designs and improved features, giving content creators and consumers more of everything. And unlike gaming graphics card that emphasize on a dark black appearance, the simple silver white design of Aero OC is favored by many consumers. And friend, this graphics card uses the WINDFORCE cooling system, and it features 3 unique blade fans, alternate spinning, a large vapor chamber with direct touch to the GPU, and come-beside copper heat pipes, 3D active fans, and screen cooling to maximize the heat dissipation. And the WINDFORCE fans utilize graphene nano lubricant, which extend fans life by 2.1 times, delivering nearly the lifespan of the double ball bearing technology while providing quiet operation. And the dual BIOS design provides a silent mode, allowing creators to work in quieter environment, and this silent mode offers a lower noise level without compromising performance. And friend, this graphics card offers a different design style, showcasing a silver and white color combined with a brushed metal finish that gives the series a fashionable and high-tech outlook. And the logo on the side of the graphics card was also made of a special material that can display different rainbow pattern in different angles. And friend, the logo has a built-in RGB lightning effect which can be customized through the Gigabyte Control Center software. And friend, this has a upgraded metal backplate and tailored anti-sag bracket for optimized reinforcement, and the silver white design for the bracket provides a more optimized reinforcement and improves the overall visual appearance. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.